Hi guys, my name is Patricia. Let me talk about the Overnight Millionaire. I purchased this program 2 weeks ago and I'm already experiencing positive things in my life. Before, I was a type of person who always thinks negative, complaining a lot, unsatisfied, and not very confident. This program taught me how to reprogram my brain for success, to think like a millionaire, to visualize wealth, how to attract money in your life, and it's working. I mean, if you follow the techniques, you're gonna see it result very quickly. And imagine, I'm in the program 2 weeks and I'm already generating sales. So thank you, Wesley. Thank you, Ariella, for sharing so precious value. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, my name is Demetrios Bryant, and I wanted to give a quick testimony video about the Overnight Millionaire, how it changed my mind mentally, how I learned how to meditate, visualize, and just manifested money. So as I listened, I bought the program May 9th, and after May 9th, I started to write my perfect days, meditate. At first it was a little tough in the beginning because I didn't know how to meditate. I didn't know how to visualize. Now I learned you don't get what you want, you get what you picture. And I have pictures like everywhere. And I've been visualizing, I've been manifesting money. I do Postmates on the side, and I've received over 60 tips. Before May 9th, it was about 11 tips, and this overnight system, shout out to Wesley version for changing my life, changing my mentality, and letting me know that I can create my own reality and enjoy my life.